How to change address in MailChimp footer. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change address in MailChimp footer. Okay, and the first thing to do is to log in into your MailChimp account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you would have to open the campaigns page. The campaigns page is located by the right side of the screen. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you're brought to the page that you can see on the screen at the moment. So the next thing to do is to click on create new. Create is located by the right side of the screen. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to this page where you ask to click on a template, design email. Then here, just go ahead and click on design email under content. Then once you're here, click on start from scratch, apply. Then you'll be brought to this page. Now on this page, to change address in the matrix footer, just scroll down until you see the footer. Now this is the footer, so just click on it. Once you double click on it, by the left side of the screen, you will see a write-up such as we may automatically add your contact info to the footer block. Contact information is required in all campaigns to comply with the CAM Spam Act and International Spam Law. Edit contact info. Just click on edit contact info. So this would come up. You'll be asked to remind people how to sign up to your audience, how can recipients contact you. So here you can include the company, the name, the email address, phone, then your address, your city, your state, your zip or postal code, country, and then your country. Then after that, you'd have to input your website URL. Then once you enter it, click on save. And once you've saved it, automatically the address on your footer would be changed to what you've typed in this box. I hope that is clear. Thanks for watching this tutorial.